Hi, I'm Pennsylvania Attorney John Benson. In this video, we will answer the 6 questions most often asked about child support. The first question we're often asked is, how is child support determined? The parent with physical custody of the children will usually receive child support. State child support guidelines provide a formula for calculating child support that considers the children's needs and the parent's ability to pay. Most parents pay the guideline amount, but parents can agree on a different amount. The court will not allow support below the guidelines if it is insufficient for the children's needs or unfair to the receiving parent. The court may order support that deviates from the guidelines. For example, the court could require support above the guideline when a child has special needs. The court could offer support below the guideline when the child has other sources of income. The second question we're often asked is, how long does child support payments last? The obligation to pay child support lasts until the child reaches the age of majority. Most states define the age of majority as 18. However, a few states define it as 19, 20, or 21. Some states provide for an extension of child support to allow an 18-year-old to finish high school. Child support can continue beyond majority when the child has special needs. Courts in some states can order child support for college expenses, while in others, parents can agree to post-secondary support and their agreement is enforceable. A parent's obligation to pay support could end before the child reaches majority when a child has married, is emancipated, joins the military, or leaves home and becomes self-supporting. In most states, a parent must petition the court for an order terminating the child support obligation, even when the child has aged out. The third question we're often asked is, can child support payments be increased or decreased at a later time? A child support order can be changed when it is no longer appropriate. Parents can agree to a change subject to court approval. A court will usually approve an agreement increasing support. A court will be cautious about approving a reduction and will want an explanation of why the reduction is necessary. If the parents cannot agree, the parent seeking the change will need to request a court hearing. He or she will need to prove a change in circumstances has occurred since the last child support order was entered. The court can change the amount temporarily or permanently. The next question we're often asked is, can a parent withhold visitation if the other parent is behind on their child support payments? No. Child support and visitation are separate issues. Although courts will consider the best interests of the child when deciding both issues, non-payment of child support is virtually never a reason to deny a parent visitation. A parent who refuses to allow the other parent to exercise court-ordered visitation can be punished for contempt of court. The fifth question we're often asked is, can an unemployed or disabled parent be excused from paying child support payments? No. Loss of income does not stop child support from accruing. The unemployed or disabled parent may ask the other parent to agree to a temporary or permanent reduction in child support or may petition the court for a reduction. The unemployed or disabled parent will still be required to pay child support if the parent has income. Unemployment benefits and disability benefits are considered income available for child support under most child support guidelines. The final question we're often asked is, what penalties can be assessed if a parent refuses or fails to pay child support payments? A parent who does not comply with a court order to pay child support can be held in contempt of court. The judge can fine the parent or even send the parent to jail. The judge can order that child support be deducted from the parent's wages. The parent's property can be seized, his or her tax refund intercepted, and his or her driver's license and professional licenses suspended. In some cases, the parent can even be prosecuted for a crime. Please call my office if you would like to schedule a child support consultation or discuss other family law matters. Our telephone number is 215-348-4416.